Yes, my name is Arnús. I'm the UK Business Development Director of Norvento Wind Energy UK. Norvento is a family-run business with over 30 years experience in the renewable energy sector. It started up as an engineering company that moved very early, in the early 90s in Spain, based in Spain, Galicia, moved into renewable energy development, big wind farms and hydro plants. The company was very successful developing renewable energy assets and kept some of them in their own balance sheet, and that's how they managed to grow the business bigger. 5 years ago, as part of a strategy move to open up the business into technology manufacturing, the company decided to develop the Net 100 machine, which is a technology that brings in all the technology advances of the big wind industry, big wind machines, and packages it into a medium wind machine, a 100 kilowatt turbine. The Net 100 is a direct drive machine with a permanent magnet generator. It is pitch controlled and speed controlled, so we can manage the RPMs of the turbine, which give us a competitive advantage because we can actually operate a low noise mode by reducing the RPMs, which is a feature that is very much required in turbines of this size because you tend to place them next to communities, right? It's a fully electrical machine. There's no hydraulic components in it, and this is really cutting-edge technology from big wind. When developing this product, Norvento saw that in this space there was a lack of technology advances. These type of turbines tend to be turbines that were designed 20 years ago, were in the portfolio of the big wind manufacturers. The big wind manufacturers have discontinued these products and licensed out, and companies have taken that technology, freshen it up slightly, not much, obviously, and packaged it into a new product. We saw there was a gap for a technology that would capture all this legacy that big wind has been developing in recent years. And this is why we came up with the Net 100. We have several routes to market, and we are in a market that is certainly a bit more mature. It's been 4 years now of the feed-in tariffs, and the market has evolved in a way where there's several routes to market, potential routes to market. We can sell these turbines directly to farmers that have the finance, the leveraging capabilities, and have also the risk appetite to buy a product of this kind and risk the money, and have also the patience to wait for a payback. They tend to be more younger farmers, maybe, that they are starting, or with big operations that they can support with other revenue streams, or the investment, the initial investment. And that's one route to market. The other route to market that we're in is the leasing structure, where we lease land from farmers, and we install and operate a wind turbine, and we actually develop a portfolio of this. This allows us to have more exposure. It also allows us to generate scale for a factory, for the economies of scale, and obviously we also make a profit out of it, so it's a profitable activity. We are a Spanish manufacturer. The UK for us is, I would say, the key market today. It's a market that it's already, as I said before, matured in this space. It's as you can see in this show, there are a few mid-wind turbine manufacturers exhibiting. It's a key market for, I would say, all the medium wind turbine manufacturers in the world. There's very good incentive structure. It's an incentive structure that allows a bit of longer view than in other countries at least. Still needs to be supported a bit more, I would say, by the government in terms of knowing that the tariffs will be here for a few years to come. Okay, but it is certainly England and the UK as a whole is obviously a country where you wouldn't expect too much of government risks, regulatory risks for the tradition. I believe, I might be wrong, but I believe the UK government has never taken any measure retrospectively, as it has happened in Spain, where we are very knowledgeable of, and therefore it's a market we rely on, and it's a closed market for us. It's an English-speaking market. English is the second language for most of the Spanish people, so it was a very clear target for us. Opportunity, yes. The future for us, first we just came up with this product, so we need to
see that through.
See some returns on all the resources invested. The natural step for us would be to grow a bit bigger, and meaning develop a bigger machine. It is wise to start small and grow bigger rather than go straight to the big machines. Plus, there is also the geographical expansion, so we wouldn't only limit ourselves to the UK. The UK can give us a very good business case to export elsewhere, and as well as generate some scale to be able to offer a more economical product. The good thing of our machine as well is that it has very, let's say, cutting-edge technology at connection level. So all the power electronics are really advanced. It's prepared for a future smart grid. It's prepared for setting up hybrid models, combining different technologies, and to do off-grid solutions. So it's certainly, we have a full back-to-back converter, which means that we can import anything from 0 to 100% of the power generated. We also have active and reactive power control, which means that everywhere where we place a net 100, we kind of stabilize the grid. This is a very, it's an espresso type of show. It's 1 day and a half. It started a bit quiet. It's been very busy lately. Having the machine here exposed, it's a great success. We get a lot of attraction. Obviously, our machine per se is a piece of kit that attracts people. It's something that they don't usually see on a machine, all this new technology, so people are really curious. Suppliers are extremely curious and excited about our machine. And also we have quite a lot of momentum in Scotland. We have a strong pipeline of 10 machines that we have to install from now to the summer, towards the end of the summer. So we were benefiting from this strong momentum, bringing the machine to generate as much sales as we can at the end.